welcome to V
Yes.
Spotlight, an initiative by CI
Hi
MSME.
everyone. Thank you
Hi,
so
how are
much.
you?
And it's really a wonderful, your V team has come up with such a great initiative. And kudos to Saitya, Spandana, and Samhita. Thank you so much.
So it's our privilege to
General Secretary
General
and
Secretary,
yeah,
State Chairman,
Chairperson Telangana, State Chairperson
Chairperson.
Telangana. Yeah.
Yeah,
So
okay,
our
okay.
national chairperson Namudita madam. Maybe actually Anju madam was interested to join. I'm not sure if she could join.
Yeah, okay, okay. So I'm just going to start the guest introduction. So today we are having Pravina Tota Garu, so who is popularly known as Pravina Naidu Tota. So Pravina Tota is an entrepreneur with social and responsibility. So she is a CEO for the startup Envision Innovations, which is into manpower supply, website development, and digital marketing. So as a CSR activity, campaigning no plastic through cloth purchase to store veggies so in fridge. So she created many groups to help the freshers and professionals with job. And I can say like Pravina Garu is also a technocrat who is a mix of experience with the experience of management and also the technical experience. So she carries the 2 decades of multifaceted professional experience as a QA, HR strategist, and SAP technical consultant and builder by passion. So she bags many awards, and in 2020, so in this particular year, she bagged 3 awards in the scope of the women empowerment and her vision of through entrepreneurship. And she is fluid with honorary positions such as National General Secretary and Chairperson Telangana, CIMSME, and she is contributing for women empowerment through Women Envision. She is a founder for the Women Envision and ATRA and EC member and women convener. Through Women Envision, she has created business platform for homepreneurs to be financially independent. Huge impact created by enabling women to start the business in home baking, home food, tuitions, creative activities, yoga, online sales, boutiques, fabric prints, preschools, what else, what not. It is like so many actually. Like she is even into event management. Like she helps the people to do multiple like all the homepreneurs like giving the sustainable business, guiding them through each and every process. So, it's really a very great privilege to have you with us, Pravina Garu. So, and aspiring, she connects them to different networks and knowledge sessions to scale of homepreneurs to entrepreneurs. She mentors women lateral entry into career by adding them into the IT and the freelance job groups. Example, she created multiple groups, 12 groups accommodating 2,500 UA professionals and who are specifically the UA techies. So contributing for the national building through Shashak Yuva Bharat by coordinating in conducting the sessions by resource persons in different colleges in national security, ancient history, women empowerment, etc. So 2 decades of multifaceted professional experience allows her to mentor and help women from all walks of life. She remains role model for us and also to many and in her 2 decades of experience with a diversified
Thank you so
journey by
much.
breaking the
Thank you
barriers
so much.
and in every phase and even in CIMSME also. She is a woman of wonder. Every time she does something, it is a wow. For us, so it is like wow. So, greetings, Pravina Garu. Like, we
Thank
are
you
very
so
happy
much
with
for
you.
so kind words.
So, yeah. So, like, you are the wow woman of CIMSME and also the woman envision. So, is it like, are you a born leader or is a leader born? Like, did you learn to become one?
Thank you so much, and you said so much about me. And when it comes to leadership qualities, yeah, integrity and commitment, the empathy, the honest, and these are the elements which are really imbibed in me right from childhood. Because whenever that has to be um, it's like the platform is like wherever I have to take the responsibility, I would like to own it and drive it right from the childhood.
That's great. So,
Yeah.
who is the first woman you looked up to, and what did you want to like her? Like, why did
I
you
would
want
say
to be like
Rani
her?
Lakshmi Bai, because
That's
for her
fabulous.
bravery, yeah, she amazing for her bravery and the courage, and the determination she has, and the wisdom, and then the progressive view she had on women empowerment in 19th century itself. Especially widows. the way she saved her, and the right approach she had. Like initially, when the Britishers, like the way she was communicating, she was convincing, but when they did not get convinced, and she did not leave it up. She could get into war, and so that's where I take her as my role model. And I always I one example I would like to give here. When I was getting into construction world, so it was like I was the only one, and I was surrounded by probably 100 workers would be working in that particular apartment. But I would always think like see, if we are surrounded by the men, so what? So we should be courageous and brave enough, so we can handle the people. So it never deterred me saying like, no, you are women, and if you are in a crowd and you are just women. I never had that feeling, because I always think how she would drive. Why not we?
Yes, when someone can do it, anyone can do it. So that is a
Yes.
one line we can
Yeah, we
learn
need not.
from you also.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. So, any strong values which you inculcated in the childhood and you still carry along with till date?
Okay, absolutely. I would say, my schooling is from Saraswati Shishu Mandir School. So it is purely into
That's
Sanskrit
amazing.
based. Yeah. So, like, in that school, like, we are just imbibed with self confidence and the determination, the commitment we learn from there. And the respect, and especially, compared to other schools, the respect we have for nation and elders. That is amazing, and we have the never give up attitude for Saraswati Shish Mandir School. And I should really thank the management, the way they added sadacharam. Means like nowadays in a schooling, like we would be finding like the good deeds and other things, but whereas we had a particular subject sadacharam, where we were imbibed, and the chanting of all the slokas makes us more powerful. So we have the Sanskrit slokas when we chant. That's where I my the base I had was the from Saraswati Shimla School, and I still carry, because people say that the way I connect with the people, the way I speak to people, so that reflects them. If few people even ask me, are you from Sishumandir School? If they know, like the people from the students from Sishumandir School, how they behave with the people, how they carry the things. So hope you are
That's
aware of
amazing.
Shishumandir schools, Spandana. I don't know how far people here are
Yes,
aware of it.
yes. So we have even one in KPHP, and which is very prominent also. Like, but it's like a very great to see that you're from Saraswati Shishmandir, and we are like good to know like all these values you got it from that school, and you're imbibing that, and like that became your success journey ka path and all that. That's great.
Thank you
So,
so much. Yes.
how is your journey started with CIMSME, and what is the happiest achievement in the CIMSME?
Yeah, it's been 4 months, and I shall really thank our founder directors, Santosh Ganeshanji, and for giving this opportunity. Like we might be having so many capabilities, but until as you get a platform, to prove yourself. So I got an opportunity to be a chairperson Telangana. So they believed in me, in my potential. Thanks to them. And CIMSME is like, as Confederation in Indian Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. It's a confederation, and it plays vital role in bridging the gap between entrepreneurs and the government by conducting knowledge sessions. So that's where I was like amazed. So my vision was like for women in vision to to scale them up to as an entrepreneurs from homepreneurs. I thought it's already CIMSME is doing that. Like the knowledge session I was looking, they were inviting many from MSME sector, and NSIC and safety and etc. So I was feeling like already they are bringing them onto the platform, and they're giving the knowledge. And if I
Hello.
am part of it, I can even help. My the women in vision is one thing. Like my women are more than 2,000 women, but at least the entrepreneurs I can help them. As alone I cannot do, as a team. With the CIMSME, I was so happy with associating with CIMSME. And when I have to talk about CIMSME, what really I liked it is like it's in a domestic community. The focus is on mainly on knowledge sessions and the collaborations, and we do conduct like trade exhibitions, and the many conferences go on, and like innovation and growth strategy we really work on. We think of vendor development and MSME connects and the corporate connects. There are many initiatives taken by CIMSME. So now due to for the past 2 years they have been conducting all these activities, but due to the COVID-19 probably we were unable to. But now we had as national, and I would like to add one more thing here in CIMSME. If you have the potential and the dedication and commitment, you can reach any heights. So that is an example of, I have given an opportunity to be a national general secretary. I should thank National Council and for that. So here, so we during this last week, we have taken up another so many decision initiatives. So in which virtual expos also we are coming up with. Definitely that will be more useful to all the entrepreneurs community, definitely. And moreover, we here compared to other organizations or confederations, we are a little different. We won't be charging more. It will be always nominal. Even if for registration, though, we don't have any registration at all, fees at all for all the state council members. But for other initiatives, yes, it will be very nominal. And I would say, as a chairperson Telangana, I would really love to share one thing. The verticals, we have no three verticals, and forming a 65 members team, two state directors. That was a amazing experience, because there we could connect all the there are three verticals, so women empowerment and MSME growth and startup innovation cell. So when networking starts here itself, all the 63 members and the 65 members in one place, networking and the knowledge sharing, and so lot more things happens there itself. Then imagine it is spreading across all the states. So for that, we do have the way it is channelized. I would like to really mention first thing, when I heard about CIMSME, then they gave me an opportunity. I was amazed with one thing. We have a global council, then national council, and the state council and the district level. How they channelize the routing through from global to district. That was the amazing thing I felt. The helping hand, how it can be extended from here to from top to bottom and bottom to top. So that was the amazing thing I can talk about CIMSME, the structure of how it is working. And another thing I would like to talk about, here
But
I was.
frankly to say, I don't know whether I should mention this on this session or not. But CIMSME in Telangana in particular, I can say before Pravina Garu and after Pravina Garu, there is a
Oh
huge
my
difference,
God.
and the way we got up and we are guided, each and every minute we are very impressed by the way you are guiding us, and getting the things done. So for us, yours is an inspiring story. Yes, she is doing it every minute, each and every minute. You're energetic, you are responsible, you are attentive. So this is like a mind blowing thing, which we are seeing that, and the way EDP sessions happen, and 700 plus members, even though it is a time of a COVID time, right? So virtually
Actually,
we have
yeah, yeah,
done EDP
yeah.
700 plus.
Yeah, thank
So
you
that's
so much. It was
definitely a
2000
fantastic
and
thing.
no, no, 2000 odd members, 2000
Yes.
odd members we had enrolled for
Okay.
the EDP. And I would,
Yes.
because since you mentioned EDP, I would like to mention about one thing. That is a beautiful experience, I can say, because and that gave me a good recognition as well. Because I was thinking, I was a person, I was thinking, how do I empower entrepreneurs? And in
Okay.
line with that, CIMSME has come up with such a beautiful program, that is entrepreneurship development program, that too for the nominal cost of 100 rupees, 15
Yes.
days, 2 hours each the
Yes.
session. And whosoever the sessions taken by such a it's from startup Amity, and from our national chairperson and our national president or national vice chairman. So many people who are hands-on experience and their expertise in their own space, they have taken the sessions, and it gave us more knowledge. And it is my proud privilege to say that from Telangana I could empower 750 members all alone, 750 plus members. So that
Yes.
was a real thing, because that I feel COVID people are distributing food and all, but I was feeling EDP program is something. if I make people
knowledge.
to attend, definitely after COVID, post COVID, definitely everyone is going to face a problem, because they might be having some kind of a job, husbands, but now there's a possibility they might have lost it. But now attending this, they have idea something they can do. They won't be thinking like, entrepreneurship, oh my god, we don't know anything. No, they'll come out of that. And it's like, planting a seed in their brain. So that was so nice. And I was like, I would say one thing: CIMSM is a platform, will be like how Spandana, you yourself appreciating. So everyone, like even Santoshi, they appreciate every time, like, whatever the commitments we do. So that is really a proud
Definitely.
privilege for me to
So,
mention for
Pravina
the
Garu, I
program.
just got two testimonials. This is a surprise for you. So, I just read two testimonials which I just got from two entrepreneurs
Oh
who are
my
housewives, actually homepreneurs, and they had attended this our EDP sessions, and they gave the feedback to us. So, I'm just
God.
reading out anonymous testimonials. So,
Wonderful.
the EDP session conducted by CA MSME is fabulous, where I'm being a homepreneur, I'm able to design my complete structure of my product from the start of the product, like from the idea validation to the taking the patents and the design, implementing the design thinking. And I just got a complete cycle of the EDP. So, and I would really thank CAMSME from the bottom of the heart for giving this knowledgeable sessions, which is at a very encouraging thing, where I myself, she herself referred some seven women to join the session just by a
Oh,
word of the mouth itself. So that's how it happened. Like she initially joined itself and she referred some 5+ members itself. So nothing more than this testimonial says how that EDP session held.
yes,
So
yes,
this
you
is
rightly
about
mentioned.
yeah. And there
The
is one
patents you are
other
talking about,
yeah,
probably I'll
yes,
add one word I missed out, because patent is
please.
one thing, like, people were just waiting their ideas, how do they patent, they don't know. And it's not so
Mhm.
costly as well. They were just, having many ideas, but they never patented it, and someone else, might have, used it. So, it was beautifully explained. And after the session, you won't believe it, I've received call from Karim Nagar, and he was talking like, he has 100 students. Madam, it's really amazing. Like, we want to have all our ideas. Like, we have been waiting. We'll get patented. Thank you so much, Pandana, for the testimonial. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Pravina Garu. So but I have one more testimonial with me. So it is from Sausanya. So Sausanya is the one who took the EDP, and she says that she is guided with a thought-provoking process of the design thinking, which happened in the EDP session. So she just started even in the general sessions, like general day-to-day life, also like how to come out from the plastic, and she is applying the design thinking in the kitchen utensils, and she is at least that idea is provoked with her itself. So that is a testimonial from Saudanya. So she is saying like she was provoked with the thought provoking of design thinking, and she is able to apply that in the some kitchen ka things where she is coming up with some product which is replacing the plastic. So that is one.
Yeah.
So these testimonials are like really wow. So I just got by five actually, but due to the time later, I'm just going through only two, which are really
Yeah.
fabulous. And every time we see something like that, we feel that yes, this is enough because it is reaching to some compreneur, which is going to change their life. So that's
Yes,
fabulous,
yes, exactly.
Pravina Garu. So now
Exactly.
would like to see something from your like we would like to know something about your professional life or a professional
No, probably,
career.
I would
So
like to mention some more things about CIMSME, because the beautiful things
yes,
in nutshell. We should talk about it, because EDP is one thing, like,
definitely.
where the thing went on, but we have global leadership dialogue. It's going on. I think so. People are
Yes.
attending even that, because where global opportunity can be grabbed in. And another thing I would like to talk about is. We have like, Nista platform. So Nista platform is a networking, and it's for collaboration, the co-creation, co-author, and project management platform. So wherein your profile can be created. It's for everyone. Like, the profile can be created. It's like authenticated profile. I can say LinkedIn profile. Then your services will be there. So for that. And another thing is, like, you can be part of many groups, and the way you message, make send friend requests, the way you have forums. So we can take on one topic and we can discuss can even write blogs and we can upload, and lot many things we have in Nista platform. And it's just 250 rupees for complete year. And here the networking goes on in a, like, I can't even tell, it was only a CIMSME platform, only one state has 66 members, and imagine complete country. CIMSM itself is a big, networking, and apart from that, the other people, the 9,000 plus community we have with us. So once we all have in that platform, it's like a big networking platform. Like, it's going to help everyone. And another thing is, like, we have Nudge Lab. Nudge Lab is something like, we being entrepreneurs, we somewhere we miss the behavioral aspects. Like, a few could be introverts, few could be extroverts. The way, so many behavior aspects we do miss it, and that may make us lack in better decision making. That's one thing, like, that's added part of Nista. And another, the beautiful and the great platform is SMEG Local. You should explore. That's a global industry list. So where you do buying, selling, and auctions can be done. You can post your ads.
Yes.
And promote your ads, and it can be even
And
Spandana, you would be very much excited, because we coming from HR fraternity, we can post even jobs. Okay,
that's
it's
superb
not like,
thing. And the name itself is like outstanding. It's like local. So it's like
yeah,
global at one side and the local itself, like connecting both.
connecting
Like
both.
everyone can own it.
And it's
Every,
a
like
little
the
piece
local
for
people
you.
can own it. Yeah.
Yes, yes,
So
and
the
it's going
name
to
itself is like
connect.
very innovative.
And we are going to connect, like, here in the beauty is, like, already we have GCPIT house, our one of the initiative project we have at the company we have. So for that, so it's already connecting almost 50 plus countries, and it's going to be 100 countries definitely. So look at the connectivity from global to local, how it's going to happen. It's not, we just can't even imagine the way it's going to be, in future coming months. And another thing is, like,
Yes.
I would like to last, but
Global
about
CXO.
yeah. And another thing is a virtual expo I need to talk about, because now people are
Yes.
saying, like, we would have the expo opportunity now in SMEG Local. You can, all women, especially for women,
Yes.
congrats,
It's
because the
really
women
exciting to
entrepreneurs can
have.
have, upload their products, and they can keep it for. So we are just still, it's not yet announced, but I, with over excitement, I've already mentioned. So virtual expo we are going
So
to come
it's
up with.
exciting
Thank
for
you
me
so
to
much.
where I myself, I'm just going to announce this to n number of the people in my network.
Yes.
So it is really exciting that about the SME global
And
forum.
they can upload
Yeah,
videos as well, like, about their products, videos, and the food. So it is like amazing. Thank you so much.
that's really fabulous. And the way, like my experience in CIMSME is something like every day I just wake up with some of the other good news, some of the other good thing happening in the platform. So that is like wow, wow, wow. It's like never stopping wow actually. So it's like very happiest so like a journey with the CMSME also. Like where every day we see
Always
some of the other
innovation
exciting
added.
thing on the platform.
Yeah.
Seriously, it is never not happening plaza. It's always happening. Always there will be a bunch, which is like it's like fantastic. It's a wow. So that's others about the CIMSME platform and like CIMSME. What we love to hear from you. So back to the professional.
Yes. You're muted.
Andana, you
Uh,
muted yourself.
Yes,
yeah.
yes, I just heard. So how is your entrepreneurial journey so far? And something about the envision, women envision.
That would be more exciting to talk about. So, Envision Innovations, which is into recruitments and digital marketing and the trainings. But, as my tagline says, definitely, entrepreneur with social responsibility. So, I always prefer to have freelancers as my, to for recruitments, and they work for me, because women especially, I feel like, the complete job, timings would not very fitting for them. And the recruitment is something like, which will be easy for, if someone has comes from BTech background, I've taken a break and the lateral entry or something. And for them as well, like, they can just getting into recruitment, because already they are acquainted with the IT world. So that
Yes.
wouldn't be difficult for them. So, and once they got trained, like, I myself will source them to some other companies as well. So it, like, I mean, to staffing, sourcing as well. So they themselves, like, get trained, as a freelancers, they work and they get placed as well. That's so Envision Innovations going on, and the digital marketing aspect as well. So I would
Okay.
say, I have more to talk about women in vision. So before even my entrepreneur journey started, I created a business platform for women, and now it's almost in Twin Cities. Also, we have some 15 groups, more than that, and we have more than 2,000 people, and few are most of them on WhatsApp groups and Facebook and social media. So my concentration was only on the grassroots level. I was never concentrating on the people who are really ready to go ahead with any meetings, events, and no. I was looking at majority of them. I can say, like, they are at home, and though they are have big educations, like good educations, but somewhere something is lagging. Maybe the family front they have taken the break, but there's nothing wrong in that. But so I was my concentration was only that, because they being in a part of group, they'll be groomed in from the peers. So that's where, like, all homepreneurs, they started utilizing it, like, they are really making a good business. uh, and obviously, like, because now beauty is, like, earlier, like, I would connect them to different EDP events, but not maybe from some normal NGOs or something. Now I'm equipped and I'm powered with CIMSME. So I'm
Yes.
just connecting them to EDP programs house, and so many sessions are happening. I'm even putting the sessions over there. So I'm like, it is like, I'm just they are able to get more information, more knowledge. So women in vision
More
is,
guidance actually. Yeah.
yeah, it's powered by CIMSME, I can say. Now I'm
Yes.
really happy for that. Yeah, digital marketing is something really, all the business people, they really need it. And I would like to take, few minutes on digital marketing. Like, what I've really observed is, like, they think, like, when they have to do digital marketing, they have to go to a big bag companies, like, who are offering that, and they cannot afford, as being homepreneurs or the startups. So what I would
Yes.
say, like, they themselves can utilize the WhatsApp groups, and they should, networking is the first thing they should do. And in Facebook there are many groups, Insta, and so they have to utilize it. And you might say, Spandana, people who are not acquainted with that, then I would say, like, there are many people and college going students, like, they are well versed in social media, but they're not earning anything. Why don't you knock this next door and ask them, like, hey, I want this, and I will be paying this much, and do, post, you can create FB page. Okay,
Yes.
or so I would suggest everyone that they can do. And at the same time, anyway, the digital marketing as my core area, like, I've been mentoring them, no doubt about it. But at the same time, even this is another idea they can think about.
Wow. So that's super. So what is the vision of your company for the next 5 years?
Yeah, so as my, again,
Because
I come
like
back
I
to
can
the,
see in your company name itself, Women Envision. So we are
uh,
eager to know like what is the vision of your
now
company for the
women
next five
envision is a
years.
unit of envision innovations. Okay,
Okay.
so envision innovations, the unit of envision innovations are women envision. And envision, through
Okay.
envision innovation also I have many plans. As I mentioned, as a builder, I've constructed, yes, the core idea again revolves around, again, the social responsibility. I would always think, like, women coming from, staying in Hyderabad, that sometimes they feel safe or not safe. So I was thinking, like, let me provide a space, like, because I have 6 flats, let them, they can stay and I can groom them. The project, because my husband being a techie guy and is a delivery manager, so definitely we can take a project and train them and source them, like, where they are in a safe hands. Okay, that's one thing. I have an idea. Definitely, I'll next 2 years I'll definitely implement that. The project level trainings, I'm planning for that. And at the same time, yeah, I need to be more, like, taking all the women and train them and make them part of the, like, maybe the free, the one thing I was thinking, freelancers, but no, probably I should think, like, I should provide them the provision, like, where they can work till 3 o'clock, but they can join the full time, would be like give a different
Yes.
opinion, or different outlook for them. So I was even looking at that.
That's right. So, how is entrepreneurship different from the 9 to 5 job for the women? Like there are so many women who's they're successfully in the job, right? For example, myself, like I'm there in the HR field from the past 10 years, and the entrepreneur journey. So, like, how you suggest this entrepreneur, like how it is going to benefit the woman who is working and who would like to shift to the entrepreneur career?
Yes, I would say, like, 9 to 6 job definitely. risk is not there. You will get your salary. You need not pay, you need not, see, when people think, the mindset of people, like, when you go and talk to any working women, she would say, like, if I work for 9 to 6, that's enough. I need not think of whether I have to pay, will I be in a to get the business or not, will I be in a position to pay the salaries or not. So I don't have any hassle, like, I just, but that will be a big boredom. There's nothing innovation. You don't have anything, like, if someone instructs, you'll be doing. You don't have enough freedom of speech. So whenever you look of freedom, definitely you look of entrepreneurship, definitely, because you have that, you can bring a lot of change, and you can be an employer. You can give, see, when you have something in your hand, you can give to someone, right? So that is one thing we should think, like, when you have a capability, when you see, there are people who might be just fit for, like, they are in, they cannot think like you. But when you have the capability, you should think as an entrepreneur and build something, very good, where all the women can be employed, or employment can be generated. So I would say, like, 9 to 6 job works only for some time, but after some time, definitely people will look for entrepreneurship, definitely. And but another thing what I would say is, like, especially when, as you mentioned, HR thing, I would like to talk about one of my friend. She has about somewhere around 15 years of experience, and she's juggling around for the job. And in this COVID time, and she was messaging, and then I asked her only one thing. See, now we are talking about so many. See, there is a need, there is a talent, but where is the connectivity is somewhere missing. So I told, like, it hardly takes any time. Start a consultancy, because you are a good at, strategy making, strategy building, and you can build an organization very well. So why don't you, like, make SMEs, like, go as a consulting, start consulting. For that, I said, like, you just Udyogada, you just go to Udyogada and do the registration of your firm. And Spandana, I would like to mention one more thing. When I spoke to her, like,
Yes.
they have some fear here. I don't know. When we talk about entrepreneurs, they think, like, registering a firm is a big thing, and the same time, the filing returns is a even more big thing. But I was clearly mentioning, if you have a sole proprietorship, free of cost, without
Yes.
even spending online, you can do registration Udyog Aadhaar. At the same time, you can file zero returns. It's not that, like, you need to
Uh,
be,
yes.
see,
So
go to
in
CA
that
and
matter,
so.
I also need to give the credit to you, Pravina Garu, for sure on this stage that like my company has got registered only because of you and with your guidance. And I remember, still remember the day when you guided me to Udyog Aadhaar, and it is like very easy. It's not a big step. So I'm really thankful for
Thank
that
you
too,
so
and
much,
I'm
dear, for
really very thankful for guiding many women, because we'll think like, okay, building a company or like something is like something like a castle, but you say like there are the step by step process, and it's like uh, to get the start, it's like very easy, and you become a bridge to for that actually. So like really thanks for that.
thanks,
Fabulous.
dear, you do
So
remember. Like, appreciation is,
I,
like,
I remember
beginner side.
this for lifetime, where if I'm not wrong, it is on April 22nd, I believe. April 18th or
Thank you so
22nd.
much. I wish
Yes.
many do that, Spandana. Please educate them, like,
Yes.
because especially in our
Yes. I
HR
have
world,
done the same.
our
Yes.
HR
I,
people are struggling like anything. They see now with the getting jobs is, like, they're unable to get jobs. They want to move on. They're really facing problems. So definitely, we have to inculcate. It's like, everyone's responsibility. So let's do that.
So in my entrepreneurship journey, like how you are inspired from Rani Lakshmi Bai, and the woman whom I look up like who is a go-getter is you, Pravina Garu.
Oh
I
my
can happily
God.
say that yes, like, this woman is like so outstanding, rocking, and like she's in Telugu I should use one proverb. Choose Ramante buildings katti vacharu మీరు like you are a lady of like that dynamite. So
Thank you
there
so
are even
much.
like a daring, dashing, and dynamite. So 3D antam kada. Like we should really give that thing to you. Like you are a like daring,
Amazing
dashing, and
girls,
dynamic.
really. I love you
So,
all. So I
by
really,
inspiring, like seeing you, I also guided like few people like saying yes, it is very easy and to get them registered the Udyog Aadhar, and we are even now we're powered with a CIMSME. We know the directions, like how to guide them also. Like we are able to at
Yes.
least give them the dots. Like there are multiple dots. At least we are saying like which dot to connect. Yeah. So
And
that's
even they
fabulous.
can use our platform too. And another thing is like
Yes.
I have to mention one thing. Until you register with your Aadhaar, like until you're an entrepreneur, so proprietor, whatever it is, you won't be
Yes.
allowed in any platforms. Many platforms wouldn't be allowing you until as you have that tag. So that's
Yes.
one thing we have to, yes.
Yeah, that's true. So, Pravina Garu, like, what is the biggest challenge or the roadblock which you have faced? Because being an entrepreneur, like every day we will be seeing different persons. Like if it is in the job, no, we'll be having the same manager and same client, almost like same employees in the business unit. But how it is different in the entrepreneurship, and what is the biggest roadblock, the challenge which you have seen, and how did you overcome that? So we would like to
Then
learn
more than
from.
yeah, more than entrepreneurship, I want to start from my right from my childhood, because breaking barriers in every phase and moving on towards success was like right from childhood, I can say, because till 10th I was from Telugu medium. So I said Saraswati Shish Mandir, right? We got good
Yes.
values, but I was from Telugu medium, so that was very difficult transition for me. Getting into the polytechnic, and but still I could succeed in that. So Telugu medium now, I don't think even it's for that. I would say like it's just not the Telugu medium. So when someone, because majority of as a HR, pretty well. So
Yes.
people think
Yes.
like even for getting a job and communicating, that will be the big roadblock for them. So I would say like
Yes.
I myself, I would say what I have done is like there will be a Telugu accent, like regional accent. So I
Yes.
was concentrating. I would write down like where exactly there is a possibility. Let me get over it. So that's
Mhm.
how. Now though you have all the technology in your hand, so it shouldn't be a problem. So that's one message for everyone who thinks like Telugu medium and we cannot succeed. No, just wipe it off from your mind. And another thing is like
Yes.
after a long gap, I think so 10 years gap, I've just because I've been to US and after marriage, and then after 10 years back I joined as a HR strategist. Again, there, the barrier, like, I was like, very happy for one thing. I was into policy making. So, where the Telugu medium
So
girl is doing the policy making?
why a sudden shift from the technical to HR?
No, no, I was not a technical person. I was into QA.
UI. UI.
Yeah,
Okay.
so yeah, I was into QA. Then see, so that's my bond, because I've taken a break for my kids. That is HR is something is my bond. Who I think so. I would say I'm a born
Yes,
HR.
that's
So
great.
I put in that I
Born
can
boss
take it up just
lady.
I can take it up just like that. So I just, but one amazing thing I felt like, the gap is one end, and the other thing is like, me being from coming from Telugu medium, I'm making policy making for MNCs. That was a beautiful thing. So all Telugu medium people who are is saying that that is a big hurdle, please wipe it up again. So the another thing
Oh.
is like, beautiful thing I would like to mention is, and from there, HR study, you will wonder, I was a SAP technical consultant. Again, people say
Ah.
like, if you are
Wow.
MBA HR, and if you are, if you are coming from such a background and the long gap, who will give you the job? No doubt about it. If you are determined, and I really purposefully chose technical consultant, because I am a person think like one life, and if you have SAP was like I was completely, I want to be in SAP. So I took it up, and I was very much interested in programming. I wanted to touch even that part. So I
Mhm.
was SAP. So that again, people have to take it off from their mind. What academics they come doesn't matter. We have a logical thinking. We can get along anywhere. So that's all. So that is one more thing I want to tell everyone. And because especially people coming from commerce background, like even they want to get into testing also, they just think twice. So for them,
Mhm.
I want to tell that that's for them. And another thing is like after that I realized like yeah, the construction is something like because I was, see, I was telling about my vision, right? Next plan. So I want to bring all the women, girls, and I want to give them a space where they can they stay and they learn, and then they'll be placed. So for that,
Yes.
I thought I should have a building. Then construction I should do. I cannot do it in a rented, and I cannot do. This is service. It's a more of a service kind.
Yes.
Again,
Yes.
imbibed in that. Then I thought, let me start constructing. So I was a builder, supervisor, even I was supervisor. So I was doing all
Yeah.
vendor management, everything. So I would say one thing: all the experience. People think like we are in different experiences going this. Never think like that. All the experience as a HR, what experience I had, the vendor management, other things I could utilize that. So as a technical person, as a QA person, the review. So every experience got into, I could successfully build and I can utilize it. So, and another thing for women is there's nothing like, we cannot take it up. You see, if it's a construction, yes, we can get into. There's nothing like, construction is something which is surrounded with all the mass people. Like, they may not be like, we have to work with, but still okay. If you can manage, you can manage anything. You can manage your house, you can manage anything. So that is one roadblock people think like, we can get into any, domain, not an issue. And when it comes to, when it comes to my company, yeah, women in vision and entrepreneurship, definitely, I would say that no, I need to contribute more time. Now COVID times, really, recruitment is little low. Definitely we need to concentrate how exactly, and the digitization, and this is one thing like, we need to think about it. That
Sure.
is one
That's
thing I
fabulous.
think I definitely will get out of it.
Yeah. So, like, how do you balance both the professional and the personal breakdown? How do you manage?
So I would say like, people say work life balance, but I wouldn't say balance. It's hand in hand. It goes with me. So because
Yeah.
everything I do is like, I feel like, it's a both are like, equally prioritized, and I enjoy both. So probably for me it's like that, but for
Mm.
others it might differ.
Okay. So, to what extent a family should be supporting the woman who starts a entrepreneurship journey?
Yeah, so I would
Like,
really like to put up. Yes, yes, yes. See, first thing is like, for any family you talk about, investment comes into picture. They say that, you see, they just speak like, will she be able to do? First thing is like, if a guy comes and asks, like they said, like let's support him. But when women come and talk about it, they discourage it. So first, let them not use the discourage word, encourage them. She will succeed, and your support is very much required. The investments first thing, the discouraging stuff starts. So that is one thing. And when it comes to, even for, when they want to join back job, so what happens like, so Spandana, I want to talk even about the job, because
yes.
we have seen about HR, like, they want to lateral entries
Mm.
when happens. And especially,
Mm.
my experience with the technology also, because when I joined laterally with the technology change, so in the
Okay.
office also we wouldn't be getting us, a very supporting system. So these people, when they want to pitch into job or entrepreneurs, they have to prepare a groundwork should be done for next 3 months. We have to concentrate 100% on this. What are the arrangements can be done? So that is one thing we have to think about it. So what kind of arrangements can be done where we won't be disturbed for next 3 months? I would suggest, if you have a, now we are all into nuclear families, but I would suggest, if you have any possibility, your in-laws or moms and things, like if kids are there, so do the proper arrangements, and just think, does those 3 months are very important for you? If you succeed in those 3 months, and rest will be very easy. So but you have to have a proper planning for that. Even it could be a lateral entry job, or it could be an entrepreneurship as well. For that though, you need much more, actually. The lot of support you need from the financial end, and even, for the, with the form, other, if the ladies from not, completely into digitally equipped, probably, the family has to support even that. But I really wonder, majority of them, they ask me, madam, we are unable to do, Facebook, thing and all. So please, I
Mm.
would say, like, don't you have anyone at home, like, maybe your kids or someone, who is acquainted with digital? So
Mm.
madam, they won't help us. So they say, they like, you chose to be entrepreneur, you take care of yourself. Maybe that kind of attitude there. So definitely there need to be a change need to come. There
Yes,
need to be a
that's
lot of support is required, because here something like, they need to
yes.
bring the business. The marketing is one thing. They
Hmm.
should come up with a help, what kind of things has to be done. She may not be, as a homemaker, she may not be well equipped, so she needs the help all the ends.
That's great
And
to know
I would
from
say
you,
one
and
more
it
thing.
will help a lot many women to get the part done. And these are the tips. How can they start from a homepreneur or from a job to the entrepreneur? So like today lay the foundation for the 3 months and to get the things arranged. Okay. So
So
what
you
is
mean like
that
you know how
one
to
thing to let go of? It is someone or something. Like at one point of time, we need to let go of something or someone, right? So in your life journey, so what is that one thing?
I did not get you.
There will be some things like we need to let go of. వదిలేయాలి ఇది వదిలేయాలి. Like we
So
need to
for someone,
say
no, I need to leave for
someone or
someone.
something.
Maybe you
Something
know, I
also.
cannot say.
Something like a habit also. For example, for me, I am fond of movies sometimes where or book reading sometimes, but I need to let go of it when I'm with the babies. I can't read stretching my time in the night. So what is that one thing which you let go of?
Uh, to be frank, like you know, I'll think of alternative, but I never left anything. I'll definitely because
Wow.
you know because me being at home, sometimes you know people think like you know women in vision is something. I would like to talk about Atharva. Alkapur Residents Welfare Association. It's a most of the works I'm doing is like with the service oriented works, right? So there
Yes.
many people call me. People so getting a phone would be difficult. But I would like, you
Yes.
know, I would think of alternative, at least you know, message them, you know, send a voice recording. But I'm
Hmm.
communicating. Voice is the solution. See, it could be, you know,
Yes.
from our
Yes.
township or the
Ultimately.
women in vision also. Majority of them,
Yes.
like, you know, they are like, you know, if something, you know, they feel like, you know, a shoulder to lean on. So how can you avoid
Hmm.
them? Definitely at home, we'll get opposing because, you know, they feel like, you know, it's for service, something she's doing, which is not earning, right? So definitely we
Hmm.
get opposing. So in that time, what I do is like, you know, I won't be taking a call. I'll simply go and record whatever message I have to give, and
Hmm.
then you know in the chat. So I think of alternatives. For that matter, I don't think I've left anything for anyone.
Oh, so cool. So, like, did you made any sacrifices to succeed in the life? And do you feel the sacrifices were worth of it? Any sacrifices?
Yeah, sacrifice in the sense, yeah, definitely. It's not as life in the sense, you know, for family, yes, because the break I took, it was you know huge. Like I started my career in my teens. Okay, just after wedding, I've just you know left everything, and you know I took long break for family. Uh, so I cannot say. Actually, in that duration, definitely, you know, I could learn so many things
Wow, that's great. So,
because you know, even
so
I
here,
have completed my you know other technology front, whatever I've learned and other things. But you know, I was always like you know, again I told you like no alternatives. So I would complete all my work by 9 o'clock, sit in front of this computer and start exploring and thinking that, you know I'm on job. So that's where you know probably I could get back very easily. That's another thing I want to give a tip to everyone, homemakers.
hmm,
If you are at home,
hmm.
don't think like you know just bindas and you know no. So you just quickly, as if you know you are going to office by 9 o'clock, you complete everything and then start like you know exploring the things. As if you know when you are doing that, you will be always in line with the things.
So well disciplined, the work process and the home process also. Like they need to finish off the things by time, like as if they are going to office, and they need to switch to their work so that like there will be no other commitments or the disturbances.
Yes, yes, yes. No, no, yeah, yeah. That work it will. So they see majority of them like you know they'll be lenient and they'll feel like you know they cannot. Once they have to come back, they have that you know hurdle of coming back. No, maybe we cannot. So that has to be you know that will be taken care if they you know they have the discipline, the commitment, like you know the feel you know exploring the things, new avenues, looking at. Definitely that will be helpful to them. And another thing I would like to mention, Spandana, about
Yeah.
because now we are in a because it's for all you know women out there. So majority of them, what the problem they're facing is like you know their husbands lost their jobs and you know their survival is becoming difficult. I come across many women, you know, like you know talking about that. So what I would say, like you know now we are in a digital transformation atmosphere, so they'll be having some skill like you know they might be having some skill you know developed or acquired or it's there from the beginning. So they might have learned it out of dedication and so they can you know make it as an like you know e-learning kind of a thing. So because you know we have say for women in visual think like you know if you are part of you know 1,000 women or 2,000 women, so you can start putting like you know I'll be teaching this or you know some kind of skills I can say. So they can make their all convert their skills as an online product, and they can even sell those products. Actually, product can be like that can be a workshop what they're planning to. So that is one thing they can take up, and the alternatives they think about, and giving an opportunity for they can identify in their women itself, like who are really good at social media networking, and if someone is already in business, they can utilize their skills and get revenue for them as well. So it's like mutual benefit. Now in
Yes.
COVID times, I feel like digital atmosphere they need to really explore and use it.
Yes, that's a great tip which will be useful to many homepreneurs and who would like to explore the sustainable businesses or sustainable things which like alternative careers also we can say, like alternative like how to use the skill sets or their expertise to the best. So that's a great tip, Pravina Garu. So that's so fabulous. So now is the time for the rapid fire question. So, if I would like to ask to add one adjective to your name, Pravina Garu, like Pravina Naidu Tota Garu, so like what is that adjective which would like to add
Shall I
to
add,
your
or
name?
shall I ask? No, 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 no. Shall I add, or I should ask you people to, start my V team start telling one adjective about Pravina Naidu. Probably that would be better thing, because
So,
I this now
no,
I don't want
so
to
if
tell about
we
myself.
would like to say, if we would like to say, we will be saying the most powerful, as I say, like 3D, right? The daring, dashing, and the dynamic. And we'll say, like, the most powerful women, like in the CIM MSME platform who made a difference. So it's like for you, like, what is that
I would say
adjective you would
perfection,
like to say?
perfection,
Perfection. That's
perfection.
fabulous. That's fabulous. So, who is the most loving person on there?
I will say my mom.
Without a thought. Wow. Mom. Okay. That's great. So, if you have a chance to be a women leader in the past, whom you wish to be and why?
See,
In the past, whom?
I didn't get you. Like in the past, since like maybe
Like
see,
if
definitely.
you have a chance to go to the past, like maybe in the like
Okay.
Manapurana Loki, like yeah, like you said
Then,
about the
then
Rani Lakshmi
definitely
Bai Loki, right?
I would say like I would get back and become a queen and in a fight with everyone. I don't know, win over.
So is it Rani Lakshmi Bai to say?
Yeah, yeah. So but then I really admire the way that takes it forward. Yes,
Yes, that's
we
fabulous.
need
So
power.
what is your favorite color?
Purple,
And then I should say same pinch to you because it's my favorite too. So,
sober.
what is that one thought or the belief of the excellence which you believe? Like, there is like one line which we feel like, yes, this is the one we need to stick on, or something like that. What is that one thought of the excellence?
So I will say commitment and dedication is one thing like we should stick on.
Okay, commitment and the
The dedication and the commitment. So empathy is one thing.
okay. To be a leader, we should be very empathetic. So that is the best quality of yours.
Yes,
Also,
yes, that
where
is
you listen to the people, you listen to the people. So that's so
yes.
great of you. Yes. That's great. Like anything which you wish to share in the weekly V spotlight. So in this event, before closing the session, so would you like
So
to
I would
share
say like
anything with our?
yeah. So uh, see, I always say that my women are my power. So
Wow.
empowering them is more makes me more powerful. So definitely all women. I really want to help them, and people like Spandana, like you kiddos, like you help, like very much interested. So we all can make the difference.
Yes.
Let's
So
do
like
that.
together we can make the change.
Yes,
So that's so
definitely.
fabulous.
Women
And
as at the grassroots root level really needs help. Let's all awareness need to be created. Still, they think like entrepreneurship is not my cup of tea. We are there, so we have to make the difference. Let's create the awareness.
okay, any one big loud out call or one message which you would like to give from the CIMSME forum?
So, like I would say, like utilize the opportunity and rock on networking, because we are giving you all the opportunities and you have to just pitch in and make your way. We are here to help you.
Yeah. So it is really a very delighting day, Pravina Garu, to have you in the V Weekly Spotlight. And we are very happy that we have started this show with you. And really apologize if there are any mistakes, as this is the first show of ours. So,
No.
thanking you for all your guidance and whatever the thoughts which you have shared with us, and the beliefs, and how you think. So this I can say, this is going to be one definitely a pathway for many women, and definitely they can look up to you from CMSME platform of Telangana. Yes, we have one lady who can even take our hand and take us through. So we are very privileged for that. So thank you once again.
Thank you so
Wish
much.
you
I
a
would
very
like to thank
great day.
CMSB platform as well.
Pravina and Spandana, before we wind up, I would like to acknowledge the presence of Anju Bajaj here.
Oh
She
my
has
God,
finally
it's
Wow.
really
joined.
nice.
Good
Yeah.
Can
afternoon,
she,
ma'am. Good afternoon.
ma'am, please
Good
unmute
afternoon
yourself
to
and
you
talk.
all.
Anju ma'am is our national president, CMSME, and the ED program. We are, I've received a certificate signed by Anju Bajaj ma'am and Santosh ji. Thank you so much, ma'am. The MSME
Thank
schemes
you,
you were telling
Reena.
was amazing.
Yeah, I was listening to you all. Nice listening to you all. Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am, you
Yes,
are
please.
ma'am. You're
audible.
audible.
Very good. Good discussion. I just joined a bit late, but then definitely it's a good discussion.
Thank you so much,
Thank you
ma'am.
so
And
much, ma'am.
we need a lot of interest from you. The MSME schemes you are talking about was like amazing, and the women empowerment. And really, we all need your help. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Yes. Most welcome. Thank you.
Ma'am, would you like to share something to all the viewers of this show, the Weekly Spotlight?
In fact, Vijaya, I just joined you 10 minutes back, so I don't know. I mean, what exactly you want me to share? Just brief me a little
Any
bit, please.
any message, ma'am, which you would like to give the women of India and the women of the global,
Entrepreneurship.
like how the new, entrepreneurship, like in this new normal, and one message which empowers them or inspires them.
The message I would like to share is believe in yourself, stay fit and healthy. You should have a healthy mind at this time, of COVID-19. Your health matters a lot, but then your healthy mind matters a lot, to say, you
Wow.
should think positive this time and go ahead, believe in yourself, be stern and firm. Definitely you'll achieve your goals because once you feel that you can do it, definitely you can do it. So it is achievable. When we women can do it, I think we all can. Other men can also do it. So that should
Thank
be
you
our
so much.
criteria.
This
So don't give up.
this is super. So
Wonderful.
that's a
Don't
great
give up.
message, ma'am, and we are very happy and
Yeah.
privileged to hear you. And this made our session actually. And Pravina Garu, so this is a very great
It's a really
happy
a
ending, right?
Thank you.
So, yeah. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so
thank
much.
you so
And
much.
Santosh Garu, would
Thank
you
you.
like to add any points, anything to this show, and anything about Pravina Garu?
Is he
I've
online?
been listening quite a long last few minutes, and now Anju
But we have
Bajaj
one
madam has
minute left.
joined, and she has been very active. I should say that she is the youngest member in our confederation, and hyper energy. Okay, so without her, it's been really last couple 6 to 7 days was like everything is going on, but we are missing completely our national president, madam. Okay, so now, yes, see, Telangana state is doing good, and Pravina definitely, no doubt. And she has got only one thing is basically that she will never say no to it. So whatever you just bounce to her, she will definitely catch it, and then she will see to it that we are winning it together. So that is the attitude. So it is. If at all you want to be big or you want to grow in your career or grow your business, everything depends on the attitude that you have. So the right attitude that you should start listening. First thing, that is, she is a good listener. then she starts reading it. So that is the second habit. The third habit is basically she follow it. So because there are many people who will be reading it, but they'll never implement it. So one thing is basically not reading and listening and all those things. You need to read, listen, learn, and start implementing it so that you at least add some sort of different value in your process or career or business or the activity that you're doing it, and you scale that into next level. And she have been doing the same thing, and she have got a blended career exposure. That career experience is automatically giving her a lot of input in terms of implementing different processes, and she comes from the quality assessment background. So automatically that process and control system is automatically being taken care in her body, in her blood, I should say. So now, keeping all those things, I could see that there are lot many things to do, and we expect that Pravina madam will be able to contribute not only in the state, also will be able to contribute all over India. And there are many things to do. And she missed out to mention the another new initiative, which is a Naz Club initiative, Naz Lab. So Naz Lab is basically once again a new initiative where we are going to talk about that if at all you want to be a successful, wealthy, healthy business or man or woman, please come and join the Naz Lab, which is a virtual Naz Lab, which been hosted onto nishta.cimsme.in platform. The objective is here is basically to change little bit of your habit, change little bit of your mindset, change little bit of your leadership qualities and all those things. And I think you'll be able to change yourself, and you'll be able to change the world, the way things happen. And thank you so much for hosting these things. Really looking forward to having such session week on week basis. Let's demonstrate the capability of each of our women leaders have got, and that will be one of the point where people will come to know that it is not about man and woman. It is all about everyone has got the equal rights and equal opportunity being given. They all will be able to perform better. And CIMSME has got the largest number of women entrepreneurs and leaders, and those who leads CIMSME. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much,
Uh,
Santosh
very
Garu. So you
thankful.
are creating the platform actually. The women feel safe, and such a elegant platform we have. So we will never feel like we are working in what environment. So such a
Yes,
great platform has been built by Santosh Garu and CIMSME. Santosh Garu, if you don't mind, I missed out talking about Center of Excellence, and that maybe if
One
you
more
can
thing.
throw.
See, I have not built CIMSME for your kind information. It is been built by our council member. So please give the due credit to them, and the due
Yes,
credit to the
that
chairman and national
that
chairman
is
and the
a
national
leadership
council or
quality
the
of
state chairman,
yours.
state directors. They
yes,
have been doing a lot of good work and the energy. I was there in the in the morning session of Nishta in Kerala. After that, there's session in Maharashtra. Then I'm there in session in Telangana. Then I have got a global event where UK speaker is coming. So you can just think of the amount of learning that I'm going through. Correct. So it's immense opportunities are there. I think each one of you can come forward and take the opportunity, lead as a leader, demonstrate your leadership capability, and be the leader. We are all there to support you, not only in by technology, by processes, by our subject matter expert, the connect all over the world. Now we are going to travel virtually. So that is one more achievement in our life. In the short span of 4.5 months of our engagement with you all, we are able to go so strong globally, right?
The jet speed, I would say, like Spandana. Now I got a punchline
yes,
to talk about. Tell about CIMSM.
yes,
You said right. CIMSM is
yes.
going with the jet speed. Okay. If
Wow.
you are if you want to go with the same speed, you just join us. You just join
Yes,
us, and we are going to take you with the same jet speed. Santosh Ji is like you've seen the very every next day, like we are with innovation. So we are going
yes.
in that speed, and please join us. It's a message for
And
everyone.
yes, we are very
Thank
grateful
you.
for your words about Pravina Garu, Santosh Garu, and we are very happy that every time we have even the open door policy with you, like we are like we feel free to connect with you. If we have some doubt actually. So that is how the forum is like. Always look to board this super duper going jet plane. Yes, we will take you through a different good flight with a jet speed, and we are going to land you safely also. Together, we are there in this journey. So,
Right.
so that is all for the
Certainly, we'll be able to do
day.
miracle. Certainly.
Ah,
And
yes.
you are aware that we are only one organization in the world, I should say, who don't have membership charges. A
Yes.
organization or an association running in India or outside India, always they will be having a membership fees. We as an
Yes.
organization have from the day one have taken a commitment that we should be a platform of openness. There should not be any price barrier so that any entrepreneurs are being refrained or restrained from using our platform. So we have made our membership is absolutely zero. Recently we have introduced one thing is called platform charges. So platform charges we have kept it because this is a more like a social media platform. So n number of users will be coming on the platform and they'll be able to create their account. They not only create the account, they have got any privilege to put their content and all those things. So there is a cost attached to the storage of data that is getting stored on my platform. So that charges I'm trying to recover, but for council member and NISTA member and GCPIT member, it's absolutely free. And we also feel privileged to invite various association, industrial association, and host them at free of cost on our platform because our intention is basically to have a healthy mix of good entrepreneurs so that the collaborations is meaningfully achieved.
So, CMSME is even a user-friendly platform too, like where even the tier 1 and tier 2 women, like who are not that techie also, it is like a very easy platform. And the way we are getting the guidance to how to use a platform is also good. And the way the meetings are going to happen, like just giving the awareness to the team members and a privilege, like each and every team member is valued and they are given the opportunity to prove the expertise. Like, yes, if you have the skill, yes, use the skill in this particular channel so that like it will be good. So there are only few platforms which give that liberty to use the expertise or the multi talent actually. So we are always privileged to CMSME platform, Santosh Garu, and thank you, Pravina Garu. So
Thank you so much, and
so
all the
before
attendees, they have given a wonderful messages for us. Thank you so much.
yes. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
And next week we'll be meeting with one more woman from the V team in this V spotlight. So till then, stay tuned. And yes, and every day you'll be having some of the other coming surprises, something like that, innovation, everything. It's the most happening place in the global and in India. So keep watching and the CMSME platform. Definitely, we are going to rock and we'll be giving so many entrepreneurs to this world and we'll be the proud members always. So that's all for the
Yes.
day. Thank you, guys.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank you.
you.
Bye.
Thank you all. Thank you, Pravina.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
ma'am.
Vidya.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you,
Thank you so
ma'am.
much.
Thank you,
It was
Santosh
great.
Garu.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Wish you
Santosh.
all
Thanks
good
to all
health.
the team
Thank you all
members.
attendees.
Yeah, thank you,
My pleasure.
Sahitya and Samhita, who helped the show also. Thank you so much.
Yeah, special thanks to all the three girls. I really missed out. It's really they're really working very good, in a perfect way. Thank you so much. Looking forward.
Yes, it's a teamwork with your guidance, Pravina Garu. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, dears. Bye.
Thank you, Praveen. Nice
Bye.
to hear
Bye.
you.
Same here.